Don't you need the helmet?
I don't want to look like a loser.
Before you look like a loser, dude.
Better than getting stitches, bro.
Tell us, Mr. Windsor Liu. What is the first lesson of skateboarding? What do you have to learn to do first?
Balance.
Okay, what do you do for balancing?
So you put your front foot. So some people are regular and some people are goofy. So this is regular and this is goofy. And for you to find out are you regular or goofy is a very simple test. So if you're running, imagine there's water on the ground. If you're running and you want to slide, whatever your front foot goes, whatever foot goes first is your front foot, and that will determine if you're regular or goofy. So if you're running and you're going to slide, then you'll be a goofy. You'll be a regular.
Left foot.
Yeah, left foot forward is a regular.
Okay, yeah. Eli, give me your test.
So then like this.
Yeah, then you're a regular. See?
Oh my goodness, this guy actually knows how to skate.
knows how to skate.
What a dick! What a dick! He can balance.
So you keep your front foot on just on the first bolt and your back foot on the back bolt, and that's how you maintain.
Just a slow race.
And that's how you maintain balance. That's skating 101.
Skating 101.
So Alan's a goofy. Alan's a goofy.
What a Yorso! Yo, look at these bastards, they're all pretending. They're all pretending.
Alan jump over a car now. Boom.
Sherbet, let me see what I am. This is what you are. Do I have to press a button?
No, it's fine, it's on.
I'm a goofy.
You're a goofy. So next also goofy.
Am I the only one? Oh god, I think so.
Your front foot back bolts. Your front foot must be at the back bolts.
What do you mean?
Your front foot at the back bolts.
Like that?
There's 4 sets of bolts, right? Yeah, there we go.
So basically on the bolt. But then how do you steer?
So your feet must be like this first, and then when you're on the board, you change it. And for another skating 101, don't ever do this.
Why?
It's called more grabbing.
More grabbing.
Yeah.
But it looks cool.
So a lot of people who do Instagram and stuff like that, they more grab. They don't know how to skate. They just use it as poses.
So how are you supposed to hold your board? But that looks so uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Or like this.
Or you get a bag, those
like
bags.
I like the bag one.
Don't do it like this.
That's
But you can if you want to. There's no one stopping.
That's a no-no. No-no.
Why is that a bad thing?
It
It means you're like
a poser.
It means you don't know how to skate.
posing.
Can't you like go down there stairs? That's what I want to do.
Can't you go like those stairs? Just check
I
the
think
hill.
those stairs, yeah.
If you want me to kill myself, I can go down those stairs.
Just 3 steps. And how do they like grind on, like you know when they jump and then they grind on things like that?
So you first have to learn how to ollie. because if you can ollie, then you can jump. But I don't know how to ollie.
And then they put like just the tail thing on the pipe and you just slide.
Oh, is it? But I've seen on the
So you've got a nose and a tail, right? The part that is wider is always the nose, and the part that is like. And what I
Yeah, there is.
yeah.
So this is the nose.
Yeah, this is no, this is the tail. And then what I do sometimes to remind me, I put, you see there's black bolts at the back, and then there's these silver bolts in the front, and then I know which one's my front. Sometimes I also don't.
I was asking you, like, how come your skateboard doesn't have the brakes at the back? Oh no, those ones that
remember those?
those brake things at the back.
Dude, there was one where there's 2 pedals over here, and then if you press it, it makes a sound. It makes
Just sort of sound high tech. Is it how they do it?
that's when you get it from like Pick and Pay and Hyper Armor. Yeah.
So this one doesn't have the brakes.
Nope. But I can buy rails. People use rails.
Oh yeah.
That's what I was going to ask. Like, you know, when you slide,
I don't slide. That's why I don't have rails.
no, but the people that slide, they would have rails.
No, not all of them like rails. Some people like rails, some people don't.
You just skate the board, but they get it for free. They're sponsored.
What is the board made of?
Maple.
Wait. Let me take a photo of your bike. I mean, take a
7 ply.
So it's quite flexible.
Yeah, but the board will last you, if you skate every day, it will last you about 4 months. And then you'll have to get a new one. Just the board. You can use the trucks forever. And the
K a month.
Yeah, the deck costs a K a month.
How much is your board again?
3,800 in total.
And the wheels?
The wheels cost me, I think, $700.
One.
No.
So you can get like real car tires, dude. You get tires with it. I don't know, maybe they're like special wheels that run faster or whatever. There's no resistance. I'm sure bearings, there's a lot of different kind of bearings.
Yeah. My bearings wasn't that
They
great.
must be like really expensive bearings.
My bearings like 600-700 rand.
Because in the bicycle, the bearings, the ones that you can get anything up to like 12,000 or 15,000 bearings.
These bearings are called Bronsons.
With the bearings.
The orange thing is a bearing.
Because it has like less resistance and stuff like that.
You get ceramic bearings as well, but not a pro, so I don't need it. Okay, and that's it.
Okay, so today we did basics 101.
Skateboarding.
We all know what
Next week, Windsor's going to be jumping off stairs and stuff, right?
Next week he's going downhill and jumping over the speed bumps.
If you go downhill, you have to maintain your balance. The trucks, they wobble. They catch your speed wobble. And then, so you'll see a lot of people do this when they go down. It's not because I want to do it look cool, it just naturally does it.
So the pros will be able to control.
No, the pros will still, they'll still,
But they've
got their balance.
us will before.
I think you can do it. I want to see him come down that hill.
So next week's challenge, what's next week's challenge?
I think he's going to come down the slope.
Dude, and also on this hill,
Those speed bumps, you jump over
if
this.
there's a pebble, you f***ed.
We'll sweep it for you.
You see that little thing there by the road?
But,
There's like
split.
a curb.
Yeah.
Little single
He's
piece.
going to grind. He's going to grind on that thing. So the wheels I'm shaking got grind.
That's his challenge. That is challenge.
That's his challenge. That's my challenge. That's his challenge.
You better start practicing, dude.
No, that's it.
And then one day he's going to go up the stairs, not down. That's when he's like pro, dude.
Alrighty.
We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no. Nobody never know. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no.
bad.
All of this is the view, which looks like something.
Whoa.
Did you get the one on the back? And then put it on.
We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back. No, no. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back. No, no.
Now I'm done.